back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another I Tried It video. Is that what we are calling this series these days? I'm not sure. Let me know down in the comments if you want this to be a regular whole series. But as I've been researching for side hustles and other ways to make money so that I'm not constantly sharing the same thing with you guys over and over, I am just appalled at some of the bigger influencers and the things that they are pushing in the whole make money online world. So I thought that we would just test them out, scam or legit. Let me know what you think about this being a regular series again down in the comments. But a lot of big YouTubers and videos that are getting lots of views are things like easy money. No money in this world is easy. I just want to say that right now. You're going to have to put in the work to make actual money. That's just how it is. There's no such thing as free money. In doing some research, if you just go to YouTube and type in like make money online, you're going to get things like 9 lazy ways to make money online with GPT has 202,000 reviews. Well, everybody wants to make money online, so of course they're going to watch that, but really the only person making the money is the creator telling you to do this. That's how I feel about a lot of these. I'm like, is it really that simple? 10 minutes a day, $500 in 10 minutes every single day, has 263,000 reviews, and this video's only been up for 3 weeks. And even Monique shows up in this search, and I like her channel. I like a lot of stuff that she posts, but it's get $45 every 30 minutes with Google Translate. It says she's tried it. I've not watched this video, but these are the kind of titles and things that are showing up when I was trying to research. But I come across one that's supposed to be really easy, and it's posting links online. So when you come to YouTube, you are shrouded with these videos of shrinkme.io. You can make $100 a day by just posting links online. Here's another video. This one has 47,000 views. This one has 38,000 views. This is another one that's got 15,000 views. Here's another one that's got 59,000 views. You know, we keep going. ClickSpy is another one I come across that's supposed to do the same thing. It's supposed to be a website that pays you for posting links online. This guy right here, how to get unlimited clicks on UR shorteners. So he's going to tell you how to get all the clicks. 48,000 views. So I thought, why not? We would try it. Now, I do want to go ahead and preface this video by saying there is a legit way to get paid by posting links online, and that is posting your affiliate links and having people purchase the products. Then you get a commission off the product. But this is not what these videos are telling you to do. They are saying that you can make money off any link. So you can just link to like a Google or a TMZ article or an Amazon, anything on the website on the web that you want to share with people, and you're supposed to get money. The way this is supposed to work is that the link that you give people is supposed to route them to an ad. They're supposed to view this ad, and then it's supposed to take them to the place that you wanted them to go. So like on my personal Facebook page, if I wanted to share with all of my friends and family a TMZ article, I could make a Facebook post my link, and say, go check out this TMZ article about this sad doggy. Look at this medical miracle dog or whatever. Something like that I would share with my friends and family, right? And so they would just view this ad for a few seconds and then go straight to that TMZ article. And every time they click that link and view that ad, I'm supposed to get paid. And I thought, well, that is interesting, because we are groomed in today's social media world to just view ads, and it's just one of those things, right? YouTube plays ads on all of our videos that we watch. If you ever scroll on TikTok, you're getting ads every few videos that you scroll. You're getting TikTok shop ads. Instagram has ads. Facebook has ads every few posts that we're scrolling. Websites and blogs we go to for recipes and stuff, they have ads on them. So we're just used to it. So it wouldn't be anything that really annoyed someone that much, right? Here's the first problem I ran into. So I found about 5 websites that are supposed to pay you to do this. We have shrinkme.io. We have clickspy.fly.com. We have AdFly, which has now become Linkedverse, and I don't know how to get, let's click this. Okay. So we have AdsFly that's now become Linkverse. We have Shrink Earn. And we have Ad Shrink It. Now, if you just look at all these websites, they look exactly the same. They're just different colors. So Shrink Me, here's Earn Money, here's where your URL goes, and it tells you how much you make per views. ClickSpy looks exactly the same. Linkvertise, or whatever it's called now, that used to be AdFly. Here we go. Here's our little search box, looks the same. And so this is my first red flag here, is that each one of those videos only tells you to go to one of these and do it. So unless you went down this entire rabbit hole of hours of searching to find all of these websites, you wouldn't be able to compare that there's all these websites out there that look the exact same. So guess what? I tried it. I'm kind of scared that this website has my information, but how else am I supposed to test these things out? So I tried to go with the shrinkme.io app. So I have created an account here and logged in. They did give me, it says my available balance is $1. It says I do have $1 because they give me a $1 sign-up bonus. That's great, but you can't cash out till you have $5 or $10 or something like that. So we've got to earn some money. So I've got to get some links out there and get people clicking. Well, who better to test that out than me? I've got a YouTube audience that I share links with on a daily basis. I also share links to funny news stories on my personal Facebook page with my friends and family. So why not? So I have already set this up for ease of time. So here is the funny thing that I'm just now finding. I set this up earlier today. You can see when I click this little thing, it says a member since today at 11:16 p.m. It was actually like 11:16 a.m. my time, but whatever. I created this account. It is now 6:18 p.m. in the evening when I am recording this. So I created this account hours ago. I set up a link, I saw what it did, and then I decided that I was going to go pull all this research to make this video with. And now when I go to manage links and click all of my links, my link is not even showing. Like, they have completely deleted it. But let's just go show you what this website really does. If you go up here to the very top, new shortened link, we are going to create a link, right? So let's just, I have some links saved for ease of time. This is the TMZ dog story that I was talking about on TMZ's website. It's a great story about a dog's life being saved by a last resort antibiotic. This is something that I would share with all my friends and family on Facebook. So I'm like, why not? So let's copy this TMZ link. So we are going to go over to shrinkme.io. We're going to click the new shortened link. We're going to paste our TMZ link here. And we're going to type in Elias. So we're just going to type sad_dog. That's what we want our link to say. We're going to shorten it. So now here's our shortened link, shrinkme.info sad dog. And I'm supposed to copy this link, future reference. I'm supposed to copy this link, and that is the link that I'm supposed to share. Now, what is supposed to happen is when I share that link with my friends and family, they're supposed to view an ad for a few seconds and then get redirected to this TMZ website. And then I should get paid for all those ad views, right? Just like YouTube, right? You get paid for your ad views. Seems simple enough. So, of course, I'm going to check the link out myself before I share it on my Facebook page. So, we're just going to go to a new browser window here. We're going to control, paste, and you can see shrinkme.info sad dog. We're going to go to this link. Okay. We get all these pop-up ads, but they are spammy ads. The first time I did this, I even got some naughty ads. So it could harm your computer. It could, I'm just saying, but I'm thinking, okay, maybe these are the ads. If I just close these out, maybe I can get, nope. Every time I hit the X to try to close it out, we just end up in pop-up crap. Like, I can't close these out, I just end up in a world of spammy pop-up websites that are trying to overtake my computer. There's no way to actually get to the TMZ website. So this is a scam. Please do not do this one. And for that matter, if it seems too good to be true, it probably is. You are not going to make a bunch of money by just simply throwing out links and posting links and spamming the internet with all these links you think people are going to post. The only way to make money posting links online that I have found so far to be true is through affiliate marketing, where you are promoting products and you're giving the link to the product where it can be purchased. This would be real website links, like a Walmart.com website link, an Amazon.com website link, or a website link to like whatever websites, some kind of clothing boutique or whatever, where you basically get a commission. And so let's call it that. Let's not even call it affiliates. Let's call it a commission-based job. Because back in the olden days when people didn't work online because there was no online, when we worked in brick and mortar stores, there was that pay structure. You would push products and you got paid an extra bump for the products that you sold, and we called it a commission. So I prefer to call it a commission. Call it whatever you want. In the online marketing world, it is called affiliate marketing. Let me know if you're interested in videos on affiliate marketing and how that whole process works. I've done a little bit of it too in my day. I'm telling you, I've really literally tried, I think, every way to make money online. But please, these link shortening do not work. Do not try them. Do not spam your friends and family with naughty pop-up ads. Don't ruin your computer. Not worth it. You're not going to make absolutely any money from it. So this one has proven to be a scam and a dud. But please let me know if you enjoyed seeing things like this, seeing the research that I do behind it. A lot of times on my channel, I have just done all this research, ended up in a dead hole, and just never shared it. But if you're interested in seeing things like this shared, even if they are dead holes, so you know what to stay away from, leave that down in the comments below. If you have made it to the end of this video, because I do a lot of talking and rambling, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. And of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.